Hi everyone, I would like to share my latest project. This is called the GCP Cloud Resume API Challenge, a project where I built and deployed a serverless API using Google Cloud Functions and Firestore, integrated with Cloud Build as CI/CD, an API that can serve resume data in JSON format. And also I added the infrastructure as a code is in Terraform. Let me show you the repository, the project in GitHub. So as you can see, this is the architecture diagram. The users do the call, or user does the call, API call to Cloud Functions via the public URL, and Cloud Functions gets the data from Firestore. This is the non-SQL database, returns the resume data in JSON format to Cloud Functions and to the user in JSON format. This the code is built in Terraform, but is integrated with Cloud Build as well for automations. So, and the Cloud Build is authorized with the GitHub repository. So anytime we push any change to the GitHub repository, it triggers in Cloud Build and deploys the change. Let me show you. So this is the infrastructure as a code and the main Terraform file. The first code is archive zips the folder, the function folder. The function folder contains the main Python script and the requirements, the txt file. This output file mode 0666, it grants the permissions for the folder, means write and read but execute. So this is the main Python script which fetches the data from Firestore, and these are the requirements. The next code in infrastructure is create the cloud storage bucket to store the code, upload the file to the bucket, create the object, and create the cloud function and deploy the functions. This is the name of the function. Runtime Python 39 is so this specifies the runtime environment for the cloud functions. In this case Python 3.9. Entry point get resume. This specifies the name of the functions which gets executed when the cloud functions is triggered. And in my case is the get resume function gets executed in the source code. These are the object bucket and the objects defined. Available memory is the amount 128. This is the memory amount available for the cloud functions during the executions. Timeout 3, this is the maximum amount while the cloud functions can do the call before it gets terminated. Trigger HTTP true, and this serves this serves like for two request types. This is the Flask and the context object, and make the function publicly accessible. It gives the publicly facing URL. Yes, and this is everything publicly facing URL. So actually this is the URL. If you click on that, this is the JSON format of the resume. You can find everything or more details in the README file, and you can find this challenge in the Cloud Resume API.dev and the GCP, Azure and AWS as well, and you can find the requirements for the challenge. I think it is a good project to get some hands-on experience with GCP services and Terraform, definitely. Right, thanks. See you later.